Hello, good morning, everyone. Quick disclaimer before we start: nothing you see here is a financial advice. I'm just sharing how I trade the markets in the real time. Please let me know if the sound is good, and also if everything looks good on your end. Please type yes in the chat box. Yeah, I will not start the stream until I'm 100% sure that everything looks good. Please type yes if you can see me. Is the sound okay? So, today so far, 2 TP hits, one for the ADCAD and one for the NZDJPY. I've already shared this one on the free Telegram. So, yeah, first link in the description for the people who don't know that I have a Telegram channel. So, let me quickly adjust this. Yes. So everything looks good now, I believe. So we had a TP1 hit for the AUD this morning. And for the new people, the trades you see here in green are trades that I'm already in a buy position. And the trades you see in red, that means I'm in a sell position. And the trade in yellow, that means I'm interested in trading those pairs very soon. So stay tuned in this live stream because I think I will trade gold also. So please stay tuned. So this one, we entered this trade on Thursday. We touched TP1. The stop loss is already moved to the entry, and now the trade is risk-free. We have 2,500 in open PNL. We have, this is for the last week, I believe. And yeah, for the AD/CHF, I'm not interested at all trading this pair. For the AD/NZD also, we touched the TP1. The stop loss is already at entry. So for the AUDJPY, I will be waiting for the price to do a pullback so we can re-enter, because the trend looks amazing. And yeah, maybe I will go in at this level right here. I believe the price will go on, to this level, bounce and continue going up. So for the AUD/USD, we were in drawdown for a week, I believe. Now we started to recover. Now we are in in entry price. This one we are still in drawdown. Yeah, no problem. For the CAD/JPY, same thing with the AUD/JPY, waiting for the price to come back to this level to ride the trend again. And yeah, CHF, GPY, same thing. For the Euro AUD, we entered this trade last week. We are in drawdown. Maybe we will touch the stop loss. I don't know. Just need to wait and see what will happen with this trade. Also, last week, we made, I believe, 750 pips in our premium channel. So these are the results of last week: 780 pips. and you can see everything here. I also included the video of the premium channel, so you can see each trade that included in the report. So for Euro CAD, we are in profits. Euro CHF will not trade that. GPY waiting for a retest, for a pullback. This one, I entered this one this morning, still did nothing. For the Euro USD, we are in profits. For the GBPUSD, I think, let me see. So maybe, yeah, maybe I will go in, but for now, yeah, I don't like going in right here. Let me explain. So for example, the stop loss will be 70 pips and the TP will be 200. So I don't want to the price to simply do something like this. Yeah, test this daily EMA, then go down. Yeah, that's why I'm waiting. So for the GBP CAD, we are already in and we are in good profits. For GBPJPY, yeah, we already made good profits last week. GBPUSD, let me see if a position here makes sense. Yeah, because if you can see here, let me zoom in. If we can see here, we started an uptrend since 5 or 6 days. We have a low and a high, then a higher low, then a higher high, then a higher low, then a higher high, then a higher low, then a higher high. So yeah, the trend looks great. Let me check. We are in EURUSD. The stop loss is already at entry. We added this morning the Euro NZD. Hello Shane, how are you doing? We added this morning the Euro NZD. We have this this one also, the stop loss at break even. That's why I think I will add this position right here. The stop loss will be slightly above these 3 EMAs, so I think we look good. And we will be adding this one also for the GBP NZD. How are you, Shane? Everything good? So let me quickly go in this one. $232.15 is the entry. $232.15, then 232.45, then 233.15, then 234.15, then 231.45. So already shared that with premium, and yeah, the entry is here, the TP is here, the stop loss is here, and let's wait and see. We'll check that. Yeah, Euro USD, we already entered Euro USD and we are in drawdown for now. So yeah, we entered last week, so the TP1 will be at 45, the TP2 will be at 15, and the TP3 will be here at 15 also. So trade looks good. Let's see what will happen. GBPUSD, I was interested last week to trade the GBPUSD, but yeah, we missed this pullback here, so no trade for us. NZD CAD looks also great. Let me check if the stream looks good. Yeah, I believe it looks good. Okay, CHF will not trade that. This one TP2 hit. Shane, have you catch this movement here on the NZDJPY? Because I already shared that on the free Telegram, first link in the description. I think for the USD CAD, let me check. USD CAD, yeah, I think we are out from this trade. Let me see my MT4. So this is for this trade I took right now. This is for the trade I took in the morning, and for the EURUSD, it's approaching the stop loss. That's why you see it in red, but we are looking good. So this one is already gone, this trade, and still a good entry for, to be honest, on USD CAD. Let me see. Well, like always, I will label it in yellow and wait. So USDJPY, yeah, this trade is gone. We made good profits last week on the USDJPY, to be honest. And for gold, let's see. Gold, we had, yeah, a strong push to the upside this morning. This looks good. Now the price has slowed down. And my plan says, okay, the trade is to go in gold, right, exactly right here. This is my plan. The stop loss will be here, and the take profit will be exactly right here. This is my plan. Or let me check, we have this level also on gold. We have also this level, and this level also. Yeah, these levels looks good, to be honest, but we'll try taking a long position when the price goes to these levels right here. If it doesn't happen, I will not take a trade. So for BTC, nothing new. Nasdaq also. So like I told you, I will wait for an entry on gold, and we will be taking it together if we want. So need only to wait a little bit, and I think the perfect entry will be at 0.7 4407. So this is my plan for gold. Yeah, maybe we can, yeah, trade a continuation pattern and continue riding with gold upwards, because this strong momentum was great at the start of the week. Let's see if gold will continue going up. That's why I'm, like I told you, I would think about entering a trade exactly right here. Yeah, you missed USDJPY. No problem. There will be plenty of trades coming, also both in premium and on the free Telegram. So we will be waiting for an entry on gold. Let me see. GBPUSD is already in a small drawdown, I can see here. But for all the other trades, we have this one in drawdown, and EURUSD, but we are still in the positive. This is, I think, this is last week also. And no, I don't trade silver. I was trading silver and also oil in the past, but I don't trade them now. Let's look at silver just for the sake of, we are at 01 down. Silver moves in a pretty similar way to gold. Silver looks good, to be honest. And what about you, Shane? Do you trade silver? Because there is pretty good entries here. For example, right here you can have an entry, amazing entry right here, amazing entry here, also here, also right here we will be having a stop loss. Here also amazing entry. Silver looks good, to be honest. And let's check oil. I missed oil, trading it. Also oil looks great, plenty of entries right here. So look, these are all great entries. Also right here also, if you can withstand this drawdown, and we'll keep them on my watch list. Maybe we'll trade them in the future. Let's check our open trades I have before, but not currently. Like you say, it pretty much moves with gold, but if you can see here, it sometimes give better entries than gold. If you see the difference between gold and silver, gold looks, let me remove these. Gold is choppier than silver, if you know what I mean. Silver looks clean than gold. That's why I'm adding it to my watch list. And completely forgot about it. Maybe we will be trading it in the future, to be honest. So, and for oil, also oil looks good. We'll also be adding oil to the, yeah, but yeah, these guys, yeah, most of members don't want to trade them, so we'll add oil under BTC and say. So for gold, it didn't move yet, still nothing on gold this morning, my morning, but in the morning it had yeah, a strong push to the upside. Yeah, I was sleeping. But yeah, we'll be waiting for an entry on gold. Maybe it will take some time. Let me check silver. Yeah. This level looks great on silver. We'll keep an eye on it. But for now, let's see the other trades that we are already in. So, and let's see the open PNL. We are still at 2,500, and for the week 35, and DCAD, we are looking good. All other trades that we are not in, we don't have an entry, to be honest. For example, for the USDJPY, yeah, we already had a push to the upside. Maybe we will have a pullback like this. So no entries for the GPY trades so far. And yeah, if you can see, yeah, these charts moves like this. Yeah, that's why we always enter at a pullback. For the EURUSD, maybe we will be stopped out. EURUSD, we are still in entry. GBPCAD looks great. EURUSD looks also great. For GBPUSD, still did nothing. USDCAD looks great, to be honest. I hope this trade continue to our yeah, last, yeah, TP. And for USDJPY looks great also. USDCAD, yeah, we'll be waiting for an entry. For gold, yeah, it moved a little bit to the upside. We was watching gold on 4,409. Now it's at 10. We can withstand this, yeah, small drawdown if the price keeps playing like this. Better than entering here, then price hit the TP1, then come back to our entry. I think an entry here on gold looks logical, and since we are already in profits this morning, we will be adding also this trade because it honestly looks good. So the entry is, my entry is at 10, 4,410, and yeah, I will add that in the premium group. I think, let me see where the price is at now. It's still at 10, 4,410, 4,413, 4420, 4430, and 4403. So 4410, yeah, 403, 4413. Great catch, to be honest. 4403, 4420. I will add the TP levels just in second. Then need to 4430. So 4410. This is the TP and this is the stop loss. And yeah, please do not copy trade me. This is for entertainment purposes only. Let's see if we can catch a good trade on gold this morning. So this is TP1, this will be the TP2 for 420, and this will be the TP3 for 430. So this is the TP3, yes. We'll check Shane question. Do you like long on NZDUSD? Just had an 1 hour bullish engulfing of daily EMA. NZDUSD, you are talking about this NZDUSD trade since, yeah, since last week. Just had an 1 hour bullish engulfing of daily EMA. What do you mean by bullish engulfing? Do you mean this one right here? Please answer me, because I think I will need to, yeah, correct you. Do you mean, yeah, to be honest, I don't rely on the yeah, these kind of candles. Sorry. An engulfing candle looks like this one. This is an engulfing candle because a bearish candle came right after a bullish candle. It means that this bearish candle engulfs the previous bullish candle. That's what engulfing means, not yeah, a bullish candle. It engulfs the previous candle, but the previous candle is already bullish. That means a bullish candle, or yeah, an engulfing candle must come after a candle that was in the other direction, if you know what I mean. So if you are looking for a bullish engulfing candle, the previous candle must be red, and if we are looking about for a bearish engulfing candle, the previous candle must be green. Looking great for gold. Yeah, these are the trades. Let's see what will happen. Did you understand, Shane? You always, yeah, need to search for an engulfing after, yeah, an opposite candle, if you know what I mean. Did we touch the TP1? Not yet. We are 3 pips away from the TP1, I believe. Let me zoom in this. Yeah, TP1 is hit. Now we move the stop loss to the entry. Stop loss is at 10. For 10. This will be my stop loss 4410. And let's see if we can break this level that we have in front of us. We will continue, I think, going up. If we can break this one, we will continue going up, I believe. So let's watch and see, and please make sure to like the live stream, everyone. So if current candle on USD CAD closes bullish in 7 minutes, that's a bullish engulfing, albeit not in the support area. Let me see USD CAD 1 hour. Yes, if it closes above this bearish candle wick, it means that is an engulfing candle. So let's check our current trade now for gold and see what will happen. So we already broke this, this level right here. Now we are having this level. So we need to wait and see what will happen after this candle close. Less than 1 minute left. And yeah, we are at 4,900 open. This is our trade to on gold. This one, the TP2 on NZDJPY 22, 22, 22. These all belong to today. And this one, the TP1 on odd CAD. So we have 3 TP hits this morning. So don't know what's the total will be. But yeah, this week so far started good. Let's continue and watch what will happen next. So this candle broke. This candle that we have right here broke these highs. Yeah, let's see if it will continue going up to the TP2 level. And yeah, for everyone watching, please make sure to like the live stream, subscribe, tell me guys where are you watching from, and ask your questions. Let's see what is happening with our other trades. So odd CAD looks good. Like, you know, forex pairs don't move that much, so we are in drawdown with these 2 trades, the CAD CHF and the EURUSD. For all the other ones, we are looking good. So this one is in drawdown, this one in profits, this one also still at entry. EURUSD looks good, GBP CAD also looks good, GBP NZD in a slight drawdown. NZD CAD looks great. NZD GPY also looks great. You see this entry? The best entry is based on my strategy, to be honest. I hope you guys agree. So if you can see here, look at these entries. So 90% of the trades are in profits. Look at this entry. We had a small drawdown, then we jumped up. This one, small drawdown. These ones, we are still in drawdown. This one, zero drawdown. This one, still at entry. This one, absolutely zero drawdown. This one, zero drawdown. Also, we entered right here. This one, a little bit. This one, absolutely zero drawdown. This one, too. And for gold that we entered minutes ago, also, yeah, price is looking good. I'll ask another question as no one else is. Assume you are starting out and had a decent understanding of trading and had 5K. Would you buy funded accounts or deposit into live account? Funded account 100%, because and if you have 5K laying around, I think funded account, if you trade by yourself, make good sense. And just start with the small one, 50K or something. Just don't start with big ones. You need to climb the ladder. Because you need to be familiar with the numbers that you will start seeing if you are profitable. So if someone is not familiar with this number, you see 5K floating, yeah, and for here we are in drawdown with the EURUSD, yeah, together that makes 3,600 in drawdown. They freak out. But when you start small, you start, yeah, and getting familiar with these numbers little by little. Great. Gold looks great, to be honest. You see, silver don't move like gold. Yeah, gold is moving great. Silver still nothing. Let me check oil. So we are 30 pips away from our second take profit level. Let's see if we will touch the second take profit level, because if we break this high, we will continue going up, to be honest. I think we touched the TP2. Yes, great. Did you catch this one, Shane? So there is a strong push from the upside, but yeah, our stop loss is already at break even. And yeah, stop loss at break even, and we are yeah, I'm risking nothing. TP1 is hit, TP2 is hit at 10. I made profits, if you can see, for the TP1 and TP2. for the stop loss is already at entry, so now we just chill and watch. No, I don't really trade gold, moves too fast for my liking. Okay. And are you trading now on a demo account or a funded account or your own account? And there is a strong push from the upside, to be honest. It was great touching the TP2, by the way, because the sellers are at the TP2 level at 44.20. But we will need to wait and see if the buyers outperform them. And how does it look so far for you at FTMO? Up 2%. Okay, how many trades you took and how long are you trading this FTMO? Yeah, and which strategy you are using for your FTMO account? Started October and and was break even till I started watching your live streams. And you are using this exact strategy that we are using here. On which pair you made your 2%? Can I ask? And give me the exact entry, so maybe I can give you some instructions about either waiting longer, or about your entry also, if you want. So, and it's weird for this live stream this morning. I see that you are the only one online this morning. There is, I think, 10 guys that are not online. Maybe it's Monday, maybe they have things to do, but I really enjoy chatting with you guys. So 2% per week is actually great. So 2% per week, if you can maintain that, you can do 80% per year, and that's great. GU 133.10, let me check. GU 133.10, last week 133.76, 133.60. That's, if you entered right here, you are GOAT, to be honest. Have you entered here on GU? Let me zoom out to show you the exact entry that I'm talking about. Have you entered right here on GU? GJ2738. Let me do this in pink. GJ 207.38, 207.35. I believe you entered right here, 38. Please correct me if I'm right. So you entered these both, yeah, trades right here. These were your entries. Gold is coming back to the TP2. Looks great. You would have made even more. So if we say you entered the GU at 33.10, that's the best entry, to be honest. 33.10. Let me check. 33.10. So your stop loss will be below these lows, and you will be targeting this wick, or to be even safer, you will be targeting these high. So like this, that's already a 5% trade if you can wait. So, and for the GBPJPY, yeah, for the GPY trade, I tend to leave the TP open, not for the trades I send in the premium, but for my own trades and for the trades that I'm thinking about doing for prop firms on my Telegram. So I would be creating a different Telegram channel only for people who want to trade prop firms. 207.38. 38. The stop loss will be something like this, below this one and below this one too. So this is the stop loss, and yeah, you can ride it as long as you want, and you will be trailing your stop loss. So you would have made 5-6% to be conservative. So gold is looking very good. Yeah, we broke the TP2 level that we had, this one. Let me see if I can add the MT4. Yeah, if you guys can see it. Let me quickly update this. Do you guys see that? Yeah, after watching it last week, I'm leaving CPN. Yeah, that's also a great approach, to be honest. So if you can see here, we entered this trade based on these rejections that we have here on gold. We entered right here and we are moving, yeah, really well to our TP3 level. Yeah, these are today profits, looks good also. And yeah, let's see if we can get a full TP hit on gold. So this one is gone, this one is gone. Yeah. For Shane also, yeah, that's why I told you to trade your stop loss by, yeah, by 50%, by 2%, not 1%, because at 1% price can, yeah, can touch your break even point easily. And it will come, yeah, it will become easier for you too. So you just need to use to it. And my recommendation is to, yeah, to take a small funded account, but you already have 100k FTMO. Try to pass that, and yeah, try to be patient, try to wait for your payout, try to not have, yeah, so much greed, try also not to have so much fear. You just need, yeah, to be patient, to be honest, because with FTMO it takes so long for passing the challenge, for passing the verification, then to trade live, then to get your payout. I don't know why you choose FTMO, to be honest, but yeah, it's a way of training your brain to wait and wait and wait until you get the results you want. And do you guys like this floating PNL? I think looks good. Let's see if gold will give us the full TP hit, because yeah, so far there is no indications that the price will reverse, but you never know. We need to see. I don't know, to be honest. I'm not updated about the current prop firms, but yeah, just concentrate on your trading. If you are confident, then this is the best thing in the world that you can have, to be honest. Once you are confident, once you make your first 10k, the 100k is the next goal. And when you make your first 100k, the first you can be sure that 1 million is 100% possible. So 2 minutes left for this candle to close. Let's watch and see. Maybe we'll have 10 minutes until, or 15 minutes until we reach the TP3. We would need to see. So this morning we are up 6,147. This looks good. And everyone, please let me know if you guys have more questions. Let me check. Silver. And let's check all our other trades. We have 70 pips left for the TP3. Let's see if if we can catch a new trade at this level right here. That would be amazing. What do you think, everyone? Should we add another trade on this level that we are here right now? If of course it doesn't break it. $20 left for this 5-minute candle to be over. So we already broke this level that I was planning on entering, but yeah, we will wait and see. Will not close manually. I will wait and see if there will be a push to the upside or we touch our stop loss. The best thing you can do is relax and watch how the price is doing, and also you will be relaxed when you will have your stop loss at break even, and you will have also two closed trades like these guys right here. We already made money on this trade. Yeah, I hope to get the full TP, but if it doesn't happen, no problem. We'll be having more and more trades in the future. So the price is now reacting to this, yeah, to this level right here. I don't know, brother. And how are you, Rudy? How are you doing today? I think these are not news because we are at the 5 minute time frame. I don't believe these are news. No. I'm doing good, thank you. Let me see. Maybe there was some news, to be honest. Let's see the other trades that we have. To be honest, I don't I don't really care. I just care about, yeah, the profits. I just care about how the trade is doing. So let's see. There's nothing happened with silver, nothing happened with oil, don't know, nothing happened with BTC. So we are now in profits. We will need to wait. That's, yeah. If we broke again this level that I have right here, I think we will have a full TP. Yeah, maybe. The manipulation happen every day, not at the end of the year. So this candle looks okay. If we break this one, we'll continue going up, I believe. And for Rudy, did you catch some trades this morning on the premium? I believe you are already in my premium, or not? So far, looks good. Let's wait and see. Great. We have some volume, to be honest. We have 3 minutes left for this candle to end. Let's wait and see. I believe we have 60% chance of getting the full TP. Let's wait and see. 60 or 70%, because this looks like a pullback in my experience, but let's watch and see. The last minute of the 5-minute candle is always the most important one. So yeah, let's see. And for everyone watching, please make sure to like the live stream and also, yeah, subscribe. What kind of businesses do you own, if you don't mind asking, or you just trade? I have a car rental business, a luxury car rental business, and I'm also associated with some friends. We do real estate too, but I only invest money they build. So the price sitting on this 1-minute EMA also looks good. Also suggests that the price will continue going up, but yeah, these are only hypotheses, and based on my experience, I already said that yeah, we have 70% or 65% chance that we will hit full TP. We just need to wait. But the entry was amazing. If you can see, zero drawdown, we moved straight to the TP1, the TP2. Yeah, price is doing his tricks right now, but yeah, we stay relaxed, we chill and wait. This week, I don't know. So Rudy said, I think gold will reach 4,500 this week. Maybe this week, we are, yeah, we have, so we have holidays, I think, this week. I don't know, to be honest. We need to wait and see. So in trading, all you need to care about is your entry and where your entry is and where your stop loss is, and your the risk reward ratio will need, yeah, must be positive, not risking, for example, 100 pips and making 50 pips. That's, yeah, it can work, to be honest, but yeah, I think you need to concentrate on your entry. Then you can simply trail your stop, and yeah, and ride with the trend as long as you can. Because I have some friends who entered gold at the beginning of this year. Let me show you. They entered gold somewhere, let me see, yeah, somewhere here, and they are still at, yeah, in the trade. They, yeah, they bank, for example, 3 to 4% every month. They withdraw it and continue riding the trade. So this looks like a healthy pullback based on these candles that I see here. We broke this, yeah, this highs here, and yeah, so the probability of the touching the full TP now is 75%. If we touch the, if we broke these, it will be 80 to 90%. Yes, it works if you have 60%, yeah, not 60%, I think more. But yeah, my style is to have, yeah, always a positive risk reward ratio, because even if you miss, if you make mistakes multiple time, if you get stopped out multiple time, then your wins outperform your losses. But if you have a 60% win rate and you get a losing streak, it will be hard to recover from it. Let me check GBPUSD, I was thinking about entering right here, but yeah, we are already up. Let me see. No, I think a trade here looks great. We'll label it and maybe enter after the live stream. Maybe we need to wait, to be honest, and see. And for everyone watching, make sure to ask your questions and also like the live stream and subscribe. Also, I don't think, yeah, 70% of the viewers are not subscribed. So now we have 80% chance to touch the TP3. If we broke these highs, I think 90%. Yeah, hopefully. Have you catch this one, Rudy? Yeah, great. And have you found the EMA settings on the video that I shared with you on Telegram? Okay, and have you started to backtest this strategy or not yet? Like I told you, I'm still thinking about yeah, the fact that creating a channel, maybe I will create it today or tomorrow, I don't know, and it it will not have the amount of trades we are taking now on the premium every day, so it will get 3 to 4 trades per week, to be honest, and hopefully you guys like it in premium. And also I will make sure to have the first 2 weeks for everyone in the premium, then we will switch to the paid so you can test it. Yeah, so you can test it. So if we break this wick, we will continue going up. We still have more than 3 minutes left for this candle to close. We will need to wait. And for Rudy, a question: do you like seeing this this floating PNL above, or should I remove it? And the questions also for everyone in the live stream. Like I said earlier, the most important, yeah, is the last 1 minute of the 5-minute candle, especially on gold. Yeah, maybe, yeah, some guys don't like it, but I will make sure to include it, and yeah, and keep it if most of people like it. I don't mind taking swaps. I just care about spread, and for my account it's not swap free, it's not the standard account, it's a VIP account they offer at VT, so we get some advantages over the swap free, because the swap is not that much, to be honest. So price is still slowing down at this level. 20 seconds left for this candle to close. Let's keep watching. Maybe the price will go back to this 1 minute EMA, touch it, and then continue going up. I don't know, but I don't like this wick. But it seems like there is strong push from the sellers at this level. You don't need to over analyze this, just take your trade, wait, and yeah, whatever happened. If now price goes straight to our break-even point, no problem. We can have another trade later in the afternoon that we get full TP hit, no problem. Check USDJPY. I was thinking about entering this trade, but we are so much high, we need to think about it, to be honest. EURUSD looks great. EURUSD is starting to recover, I believe. Let's see. Yes, most of the time. But sometime I take also trades on the 1 minute time frame. Sometimes for the long term trades, when we have a bigger stop loss, I can take trades on the 30 minutes or the 1 hour. Yeah, it depends on the price action. But for you guys in premium and on Telegram, by the way, it's the first link in the description. I only take trades on the 5 minute time frame. So, and like I told you, yeah, the Telegram, the new Telegram that I will create for people that want to pass challenges. Yeah, maybe we'll do 4 to 5 trades per week or something like that, or even 3 trades per week. Sometimes no trades per week. That depend on, yeah, the market's conditions. So yeah, the amount of trades will be a lot less than now. Sorry everyone, I got an important call. The SLs and the GPs will be like the premium trades, or the strategy that, no, it will not be like the premium trades. It will have either an open TP or one TP. Most of the time we'll be having an open TP, but yeah, some people will not like it. I yeah, I don't care. I just, yeah, I will make sure to share the trades like I'm trading on prop firms for maximum profits. That's why I told you I will be offering, for example, 1 to 2 weeks for free. Then switch the model up. Maybe I will create a whoop or something like that for people. Uh, then yeah. So we were 30 pips away from the TP3. We had a first pullback here. Now I think we have the second pullback. Let's see. Okay, just buy it and keep it. And can I ask you, yeah, which company you will be using? Because I get, yeah, contacted by many prop firms. I don't know which ones offer the best conditions, which ones are not scammers, which ones have the best prices. For example, there is the two-phase challenge, there is the one-phase challenge, there is the instant funding. Yeah, I don't know which are the best companies currently. And what about the challenge? So they offer two-phase challenges or one phase or instant, or and how long do you need to wait if you pass the challenge? What is the daily drawdown rule? What is the overall drawdown rule? I will make sure to check them out. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. I will make sure to check them away. Maybe I can get you some coupon or something. I will do a quick research and yeah, see if I can get you something. So, like I told you earlier, price touched the 1 minute EMA, rejected, and yeah, it was a pullback. Now let's break these highs here, because if we break these highs, we'll touch the P3. I passed an account with funded next and one from XAUUSD. After my first withdrawal, I breached the account. Emotion sucks. Yeah, this is the most challenging thing in trading is emotion and emotions overall. Because when you are trading and there is a constant battle between fear and greed. So, and when one of them one of them is more than the other, so you get blow accounts, you breach your funded accounts and everything, especially greed. So when you are trading, you start dreaming about cars, about the money, about everything. Then you greed, you take trades that you are not supposed to take. You stay in trades that you don't need to stay in them. And that's what happens every time. That's why the strategy that I will be doing, it will be like a swing trading strategy. When you open 2 to 3 trades per week and you wait for a week for these trades to close. And you will not be looking into the chart every day. You work with only alerts. For example, you get an alert when the price reaches 2%, you move the stop loss to the break even or something. I think it will help with emotions. Yeah, that's the problem. That's exactly the problem. So gold doesn't want to break these wicks that we have here. There is strong push. The smallest one, yeah, 25K is great. If you never bought a funded account, you never traded with actually funded accounts, you never got payouts and everything, I recommend starting low to get used to the numbers that you will see in the screen, like these numbers that we have here above. And you got payouts and everything. So you can't say that you are used to when you are profitable and also making payouts and don't breach your accounts. Yeah, great. So I think 25K is okay with the new strategy and with everything. And you need always to see where you, yeah, let me frame it in other way. Just give me a second. So you need to know your weakness in trading. So every one of us have a weakness. So maybe it's greed, maybe it's fear, maybe it's doubt, maybe it's anxiety. You need to know which one you have in your personality so you can combat it, if you know what I mean. Some people are greedy, some people are fearful, some people have anxiety, some people, yeah, I have anxiety. Yeah, I just found out about my main weakness, and yeah, I'm trying to overcome it every single day. Yeah, that happens in trading. That's happens, yeah, all the time. We are still waiting for this cold trade to move, and it doesn't want to. Yeah, most of the daily viewers are offline, I believe. We had Shane earlier. Yeah, we talked so much about trading, but yeah, the guys from Germany, from Australia, the guys are sleeping right now. That's why their people are not quite there. And also, yeah, no problem. We, yeah, I started this channel, yeah, 3 weeks ago. We are still in the growth phase, and I like it, to be honest. I really love this daily live streams. So I can show you actually that trading is extremely boring. You are waiting most of the time, you are doing nothing, you are just scrolling your feed and everything. With this strategy that I'm doing right now, but with the strategy that, yeah, I will be using in the prop firm, yeah, it will be way boring than this one, because we will be having 3 entries per week. Then, yeah, keep monitoring the trade. And I think it will be better than this one, because, yeah, if we enter 3 trades per week, and, yeah, we aim, for example, at 3% profits. If we have 2 winning trades and 1 losing trade, we'll be making 3 plus 3 is 6 minus 1 is 5% per week, and it will be great. Yeah, most people doesn't know that. Most people gets excited by the scalping and everything with their job and their life, and, yeah, they end up losing, not because something, but the trading style that they choose is the wrong one, if you know what I mean. Yeah, I'm always in front of the screen because I do this for a living. That's one. And two, I love this. I love being in front of the screen all the day, even if I don't take a trade or something. Like that, you mean in this level right here? Yeah, gold is consolidating since the start of the month. We had, I think, two or three times when gold, yeah, trended this month. It's normal, and you can always make money when you know what you are doing. But if you can see, price is respecting this EMA that we have here, so we are still looking good. So hopefully now it breaks this this wicks that we have above, and it can continue going up. I don't trade Euro GBP. I don't have it also here. So I don't trade it because it moves so slow. It's like the NZD, CHF, and other pairs. So I also don't recommend trading it, to be honest. Yeah, let's break this wicks, please. Twenty seconds left. Let's see. Price doesn't want to break this level. I think the strategy of the daily EMA is way profitable, and you can use it on gold also, but I think you can take the entries at the 4-hour and also 1-hour EMA for gold. You need to see which EMA is gold respecting, and you act based on that. I will wait for this 5-minute candle to end, then yeah, I will end the live stream, to be honest. I have work to do. I need to go to lunch. I think we will touch the TP3. We have less than 20 pips left. Let's be patient. Yeah, I will make sure to create it. But I don't know, to be honest, if I will be created now. If I will create it now or after the new year. Like I said, the last 1 minute of the 5 minute candle is the most important one. Let's see. Okay, Rudy, thank you so much for being in the live stream. And yeah, let's meet tomorrow. Yeah, with the new live stream, of course. So I will be going also. And yeah, let's also meet tomorrow. And thank you everyone for being with me in this live stream. I will update you on the Telegram channel if this trade touched the GP3 or not. So yeah, the Telegram is the first link in the description. So thank you so much for being with me here, and yeah, let's meet tomorrow.